Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the bus system in Jamaica. More specifically, 50 new buses are to arrive in Jamaica on Monday. So what's happening with the JUTC is, and that's the Jamaica Urban Transit Corporation, or is it Jamaica Urban Transit Company, sorry. They operate the bus system in the Kingston metropolitan area, and basically they need 400 buses for the system to work properly. 400 buses to roll out every day for the system to work properly. But they don't have 400 buses. They don't even have 200 buses. They have 160 buses. So people have to be waiting very long to get a bus. So the government ordered 50 new buses, and they were scheduled to arrive in August. So we're just giving you an update that they will be here next week or Monday coming, and that will be in time for the schools to reopen, because it's going to be even more people using the bus when the schools open back up. So the good thing about these buses now is 5 of them are electric. The government brought in an electric bus to try as a pilot project, and it's working well. So they have gone ahead and ordered more, and 5 out of the 50 are to arrive on Monday. So the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, has announced that 50 new buses are expected to arrive in the island on Monday, August 21st, to boost the entity's fleet. Among the new buses are 45 diesel and 5 battery electric units. 3 charging stations are also expected to arrive. The JUTC noted that it is anticipated that the waiting period for deployment of the buses on the roads will be approximately 10 days. The units will thereafter be dispatched across the Greater Kingston metropolitan region, especially on the high traffic volume routes including Portmore and Spanish Town sub-regions. The arrival of the buses is highly anticipated by the commuting public, especially to meet the demand of the new school year beginning September 23rd. Alright, so that is the latest update on the bus situation in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. We are driving on Mandela Highway into Kingston. So let us know, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about the bus system in Jamaica, and also the use of electric buses. Alright guys, have a good day. So we just came off Mandela Highway and we are now on Washington Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.